Hello, I'm going to show you how you can use your QuickTime player if you have a Mac as a screencast recorder. Um, you can go to your magnifying glass and find QuickTime and launch that. For some reason it opens up documents. I'm not too sure why. I don't know why it does that. But then you go to File and then you go to New Screen Recording. That will bring you down to these options here. And these on the left side capture your entire screen, capture of selected window, capture selected portion. Those are captures, so those are still photos. If you want to do a video, you don't use those. You use the ones here that have dots. And the one here will record the entire screen. The one here will record part of the screen. I'm going to stick with this because then I know that what I'm going to see in the recording is going to be the entire screen. Then you go to options and you choose what kind of microphone you want to use, and I'm just using my MacBook Pro mic. And then you can record it. So once you're done, well, let's launch something here so you can see what it looks like. So here is my, I'll just launch Class Dojo. So I'm recording, and you're hearing me. And then you see this dot up here, you just click that. And then you can go back here and play the file. So once you're done, well, let's launch something here so you can see what it looks like. So here is my, I'll just launch Class Dojo. So I'm recording. Okay, so then, you just stop it or whatever, or watch it, or whatever you want to do. And then you can save it. You can save the file wherever you want to save it. I'm not going to save mine right now. So that's how you use it. Right now I'm not using it to record the video that you're listening to. Now I'm using another app called Camtasia, but that's something that you need to pay for. QuickTime is free. So that's the end of my little tutorial.